This freaking box. There's some kind of fish in it. Damn, that's a giant redfish. Someone just left it there? It's kind of sad. Who the would do that? Let's leave this freaking boat ramp. So what, you said you own the intercoastal?
Police don't take that picture of me.
You said you own the intercoastal?
You don't want to get a police record if you're young age.
But you said you own the whole intercoastal, right?
This is my money.
I'm not on your dock.
You want me to call the police? I don't want to do that on you.
You think they're gonna come arrest me? You think they're gonna come arrest me?
No way.
I can fish your dock if I want. I'll go fish every pylon if I want.
Okay. You want to make a problem? What do you say? Is that what you want?
It's completely legal.
You stay here and I'll get the cops to come and tell you what your rights are.
Okay.
I told you no trespassing.
But you own the intercoastal, right? Like all the way out, you said, right?
The Republican rights.
Crackhead. I'm gonna fish every freaking pylon just because he said that he owns the intercoastal. What?
Yes or no?
I'm heading that way. But I'm fishing your dock first. It's a sanctuary, huh?
No fishing!
So I'm so mad that I had the GoPro off for when he said that he owns the intercoastal out to that point or something, and that I can't fish his dock, and it is the funniest thing I've ever seen. Yelling at me, no fishing. I really want to see this guy try and call the cops. That'll be hilarious. And like the cops show up and they're just like, you don't own the water, dude. It's not a sanctuary. I launched the boat right there. There's a ramp right there. This guy's crazy. Fish on. Oh, that's a nice snook. Not a bad fish. Hell yeah. That's how you start off the day right there. It's a fat little short guy. I knew there was fish around here. That's why I couldn't freaking listen to that dude. It may not be a giant, but it's a really, really nice fish. In the water. There he goes. Let's get some more, guys. That was fast. Boat ramp's still like one dock behind me. And you know what dock that was. So hopefully that guy doesn't call the cops on us. We're fishing a protected sanctuary right now. So stay tuned. That's a tarpon. What? There's no way that's what it was. Mangrove snapple. Something way bigger hit it before, but I'm not sure what it was. That might be a little keeper, but I'm not going to keep him today. Something Something just freaking smacked the twitch bait coming out of this dock here. It does piss me off. Not only the redfish, like what, like 50-inch redfish just sitting in a giant plastic tub, dead and basically rotten. I get that it's an overslot, but you should have freaking done something with it and not killed it. You should have let it go, first of all. Anyways, that kind of stuff just pisses me off. Oh shoot! Oh my god! The snook came out of nowhere. Little guy, but that's always freaking awesome. There's gotta be some bigger ones around here. That one's pretty decent. Another decent one. The other one was probably maybe a little bit bigger. So this guy, like 16-incher. So he doesn't stick me. There's still fish blowing up on this bait ball right here. Incredible. Alright. So there's the fish, guys. Thought I'd give you a good view of this solid 20-something incher. Snook have been really aggressive today. Just haven't really seen any redfish or anything. Hell yeah. That's how I get it done. Look at that. Hell yeah. Let him suck on my thumb until he really wants to go. Why he's not going? Should have been gone by now. I didn't even gut hook him or anything. There he goes. Feels like